This DIY beetroot scrub has managed to deliver good results in treating acne. You need tea tree oil, aloe vera gel, boiled beetroot, 1 piece, a quarter beetroot, an empty bowl, a fork and a teaspoon. Watch the video till the end, subscribe to the channel to get more recipes and tips. Take an empty bowl and add a piece of beetroot to it, now mash it with a fork and give it a rough consistency. Add about half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel to mashed beetroot. Add about 5-6 drops of tea tree oil to this mixture. Mix all the ingredients well, scrub this mixture well on your face for about 5-7 minutes and wash off with warm water. You may use it twice a week on cleansed skin to see best results. Don't forget to follow up with a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Beetroot works as an anti-aging ingredient, prevents acne, contains a lot of minerals and vitamins. Tea tree oil works best on acne, reduces acne marks. Aloe vera gel makes the skin glow, helps in reducing acne marks, works as a moisturizer. This scrub helps to prevent acne and remove acne scars. You may use it as a scrub cum mask for better results. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips. Watch our other videos and be healthy for a long time.